Hey folks, Adam here. We're about to check out a fantastic space heater. It's getting to be fall here, and we have an amazing space heater that I'm going to test out and show it to you, demonstrate it, show you all the details, and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, so I have to show you this cute little space heater that we picked up. Absolutely fantastic. You can see, this is great for this guest room. Now, we keep it on the floor, but I'm putting it there to show you. But the guest room gets a little bit colder than some of the rest of the house. And when we have guests over, I just don't like to freeze them out, but I don't want my room to be crazy hot either. So this little space heater is great for them. Again, I just leave it on the floor, and they're able to kick on the fan and really get some deluxe heat. It's absolutely fantastic. All right, simple controls. Fan, just the fan. They can blow this. And again, I normally keep it on the ground, but just giving you an idea. Then we can kick up the heat a notch. Put it all the way to hot. And this thing will heat up in just a couple minutes. It does not take long. And then, and it's already starting to get warm. It's blowing warm air. Gosh, that was quick. All right. And then we crank it way up. Now it has a 1,000-watt mode and a 1,500-watt mode, and this room is already getting warm. This is absolutely fantastic. So having the fan, having the heat adjustment right here, let me show you that. Heat adjustment right here, and this thing is just blowing heat, and it's absolutely fantastic. So if you're looking for a great product for this fall, this little guy is gonna do some major heating up. I just keep it right on the floor, of course. And it is a great little space heater. 1,000 watts, 1,500 watts. This thing is cranking out some major degrees. All right, folks. Absolutely fantastic. You're going to want to pick one up because it's one of my favorite products. This is Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where we show you the absolute best of the best, so you can forget the rest. Amazon Prime, free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. It looks good. It's super powerful. It's got a fan in the back, and this thing is going to crank out some heat. All right, stick around. I'm going to show you the unboxing. And wow, I cannot tell you how hot this is getting. In just a quick amount of time, this thing will be shooting out heat, and you can really tell the temperature difference right here. All right, folks. Thanks for watching, and stick around for the unboxing. All right, folks, a little bonus here. Just got it in the mail. People like to see the unboxing. Amazon doesn't like us to focus just on the unboxing. Put it at the end of the video because we get so many requests for unboxings. Fan heater model, PTC 1500R. Sunday living life large and in charge, folks. So, what do we got here? Boom. Let's go ahead and open it up. Well packed, and I'm very excited to test this bad boy out as part of our fall stuff and gear. All right, styrofoam pack to make sure it's good. Fan heater user manual, easy for me to say. And all right, wrapped in plastic, it's fantastic. Trying to take the camera there. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so it says do not cover. Looks like it's got the coil. Other side, I presume there's the fan. 110 fan, a couple different settings. We'll check that out later. Low and hot heat. Obviously, that's going to kick on the heat, etc., etc. Probably hot and hotter, off, and just plugs into the wall. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. Some basic instructions. Looks like it's pretty straightforward. Thermostat, power supply, curled nut, etc., etc. It's going to be easy to use. Very excited to have a high quality, well-recommended fan heater. All right, pick yours up. Thanks again for watching, and say it with me. See if we can get a thumbnail before we do. Boom. Adios, amigos.